EBS Kids.
Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write.
Little Limo loves lemon. Pretty Pepper packs a punch.
And Oscar makes impossible ice cream.
What about me?
The bright and shining superstar.
Bling bling.
Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write at Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck. Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck.
Magic ice cream truck.
Summer Special 3, the Yes I Can contest. Joe! Look!
What is this? Yes, I can contest? Nothing is impossible. 3 amazing rounds. You need to be strong, smart, fast. Can you do it?
Yes, I can!
Wow! The winner gets a big car.
Car? Limo gets a car! Pepper gets a car! Limo gets a car! Pepper gets a car! Limo! Pepper! Limo! Pepper! Limo!
Please stop fighting!
Pepper!
Hey! No!
Yes, I can contest.
It says nothing is impossible.
And the winner gets a car. If I drive this cool red car to my show...
Oh, Bling Bling, you're the best. And your car is amazing. I love you.
I'm going to win that car!
Yes, I can!
Oscar, Limo and Pepper are going to the Yes, I Can contest. What ice cream shall we make for them?
Let me see. Yes, I can contest. You need to be strong, smart, and fast. I know the perfect ice cream. Crazy cotton candy ice cream.
Crazy cotton candy ice cream?
Yes, crazy cotton candy ice cream. One bite, you'll become strong, smart, and fast.
Volca!
Good. Let's start making ice cream.
Oscar's impossible ice cream recipe. Today's ingredient is the letter C.
C.
A strong cowboy. Cowboy.
Cowboy. Cowboy.
A smart computer. Computer.
Computer. Computer.
A fast cat. Cat.
Cat. Cat.
A diligent camel. Camel.
Camel. Camel.
Cowboy.
Cowboy.
Computer.
Computer.
Cat.
Cat.
Camel.
Camel.
Let's make crazy cotton candy ice cream.
Volca, 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 volca,
easy cotton candy ice cream. This ice cream will help you win. Look, you are already strong.
Joe, the contest is about to begin.
Okay, let's go.
Volca, Volca!
Welcome to the Yes I Can contest. We are about to begin. There are 4,000 people in Alphatown, but only 4 made it to the final contest. First, the superstar, Bling Bling.
Ah! That car is mine!
Bling, 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 bling.
Next, Clever Corey.
I'll do my best.
And finally, from Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck, it's Limo and Pepper!
Volca, Volca!
Limo, Pepper, Limo, Pepper. Woo.
Yes, I Can contest. Round 1. Open a coconut. Can you do it?
Yes, I can!
Good! Pepper goes first. Ready? Go!
Pepper, 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 pepper. Bullshit pala!
Congratulations! Now, Limo!
Limo, Volca, Volca, hiya!
Congratulations!
Congratulations, Limo and Pepper. Woo.
Now, Bling Bling!
Jackpot! Ow! My hand! 박치기!
Bling, bling. Woof, woof.
I did it!
And now our final contestant, Clever Corey. Can you do it?
Oh, no, 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 I can't! Oh,
Clever Corey is out! And now there are only 3 contestants, Bling Bling, Limo, and Pepper! Yes, I Can contest. Round 2. Wake up a sleeping cobra. Can you do it?
Yes, I can!
Cobra? Scary. But I want that car. Yes, I can.
Okay, Pepper, ready, go! She can't do it. Pepper is out. Next, Limo.
Aha!
Congratulations. Next, Bling Bling.
Come on, Cobra. It's time to eat. Here's some yummy cake.
Congratulations!
It hurts! Oh, it hurts! The car is almost mine!
Now we only have 2 contestants, Limo and Bling Bling.
You can do it, Limo!
You can do it, Bling Bling!
You can do it, Limo!
You can do it, Bling Bling!
Yes, I can!
Yes, I Can contest. It's the final round. Eat the cookie hanging from the ceiling. Can you do it?
Yes, I can!
Whoever eats the cookie first wins. Ready, set, go!
Limo!
Come here, Cookie!
Volca! Yes, I can! Yes, I can!
What? Get off! It's my cookie! Oh!
Congratulations! The winner is Bling Bling!
Yes, I did it!
You won! You are the best!
I'm the winner!
Volca,
You did your best, Limo.
Volca, Volca.
Limo.
I'm the winner! Where's my car?
Here's your car! Congratulations!
What is this? I worked so hard, and this is it? I don't believe it! This is not right!
Sorry, Bling Bling!
Oh, my head. My hand.
You can try again next year.
No, no, no! I can't do that again!
You did well today. You didn't win, but you did your best. You can do better next time.
Yes, I can!
Can we read a story?
Yes, we can!
Colin's Cupcake.
I am a cook today. I'm going to make a cupcake. I'm going to add everything my family loves. My little sister loves cream. And cookies. Crush, crush. My big brother loves candies and caramels. So many pretty colors. My dad loves carrots and corn. Cut, Cut. My mom loves clams and crabs. Let go. Ow.
Colin the cook is carrying the mixture to the oven. Close the door.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh, yummy.
Captain, Captain, where are we going?
We're driving to the canyon. Rum, rum, beep, 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 beep. Rum, rum, beep, 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 beep. Rum, rum, beep, 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 beep. Come along with me.
Captain, Captain, where are we going?
We're canoeing along the coast. Paddle, paddle, splash, splash. Paddle, paddle, splash, splash. Paddle, paddle, splash, splash. Come along with me.
Captain, Captain, where are we going?
We're riding on a camel.
Wobble, wobble,
Grunt, grunt,
wobble, wobble,
grunt, grunt.
wobble, wobble.
Grunt, grunt. Come along with me.
Captain, Captain, can we go home now? I'm too tired.
Let's catch a cab. Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write.
Little Limo loves lemons. Pretty Pepper packs a punch.
And Oscar makes impossible ice cream.
What about me? The bright and shining superstar bling bling.
Joe's creamy, dreamy ice cream will delight. One single bite and you can read and write at Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck. Welcome to Joe's Magic Ice Cream Truck. Magic Ice Cream Truck.